First of all, this metal bracket needs to be positioned at an angle. If it stands at a right angle of 90 degrees, it will not be possible to secure this bracket. Also, make sure that the bottom part does not obstruct the door from closing. Ensure that this rubber piece lies flat on the surface. It can be positioned slightly higher, but it is crucial that it lies flat. It should not be positioned sideways between the ceiling and the door. Then, the most important thing you need to do is to make sure that you tighten the screw at the top first. The top screw is the one that prevents the bar from moving and secures it. Tighten the top screw completely for both sides. Then, tighten the bottom screw up to 50%. Then move to the other side and fully tighten the bottom screw there. And then return to the first side and fully tighten that screw as well.